Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Thursday morning, it is the 10th day of January already. And as I make this a little bit before 4 o'clock in the morning, the temperature is 36, wind chill factor is 30. So, and with 3 hours left until sunrise, I think we're going to get to freezing easily here. And that is the first freeze since Christmas morning, and another freeze tonight, and another chilly day today. We'll talk about that, plus look ahead to this next storm system. Do you have weekend plans? This next storm system could affect your outdoor plans this coming weekend, and we'll look ahead to the chilly air back behind it. And winter weather fans have been watching my videos lately with great interest. We've been tracking this area of very cold air from the North Pole into Canada. The question is, will this cold air eventually end up in the deep south before this month is over? The evidence seems to be growing.
The letter H on the map over Arkansas means high pressure. We're on the cool side of it. So the entire eastern half of the nation is very chilly today. I think we'll barely reach 50 degrees, but we're looking out to the west of us. That storm system starting to form now in the Rockies and the western high plains and moving on eastward. That's our future for the weekend. Sunshine, chilly today. We may reach 50 degrees. Tonight's low back to freezing around 31. Not as windy today. North winds at 6 to 12 miles per hour. And here's tomorrow. I think we're dry during the day, but we warm up a little bit, mid-50s, and then the storm system out to the west of us is in Arkansas and Texas, moving on eastward. And I think by, let's say, lunchtime Saturday is your better rain chances. So Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening, and certainly Saturday night. There's the low near Jackson, Mississippi. We're in the rain sector, but there is a lot of snow with this system farther to the north as well, moving on eastward into the middle Atlantic coastal region. Maybe a leftover shower early in the day Sunday, but I think we dry out after that. Then breezy and colder Monday, back behind this system, and our high temperature barely up to about 50 degrees. So we're looking at mid-50s on Friday. Could be a small chance for late Friday night, but I think a better chance by midday Saturday into Saturday night of more rain. 56 the high on Saturday, mid-50s Sunday as the rain comes to an end, and then only 50 with a breezy day Monday and another freeze expected on Tuesday morning. Okay, so let's look ahead. This would be the next storm system. That's a week later on Saturday, January 19th. That looks like a pretty big deal storm system. And then a few days later, that last week, this is way out there now, Thursday, January 24th, maybe the cold front that brings a shocking plunge in temperatures. It's possible. This is the GFS showing Arctic air plunging into the nation on January 24th from Canada. So that could be the big show we've been talking about, the real deal cold, and the European also confirming around the same timetable that the frigid air will be entering the U.S. and heading on southeastward. So we'll continue to keep an eye on it as we wait for winter. All right, you hear me talking about models, the Euro, the GFS, the NAM. What are these models? What do they mean? Why are they different? I'll dive into that tonight on our Weather Extra on Alabama News Network at 6 and 10 on CBS 8 and ABC 32. Join me for the computer alphabet tonight.
And with our partners at the Alabama News Network, I'll be talking weather with Ryan Stinnett this morning at 5:50 a.m. on CBS 8 and ABC 32. And we're also on their air at 6:40 a.m. Kind of a panel discussion with their morning crew and our morning crew. It's always a lot of fun. Live on the radio from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. Your forecast whenever you want it. Very convenient because it happens 256 times a day on 8 radio stations, the Blue Water family of stations. That's where my forecast is. I'll have another video for you on Friday morning, first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. Have a good day today. Wear an extra layer of clothes, and I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.